So why do meditators sit upright and still in meditation? You might be aware of the term cabin fever, where people who are cooped up inside a small space become antsy, feeling the desire to move and to get outside. That desire to move is being activated by deep inner principles found in meditation. The key reason why meditators sit vertically in stillness is this. Through stillness, meditators experience spiritual fire in a kind of cooking or transformation of their subtle bodies. Fire is consciousness, and consciousness is fire. I have a video linked below at the end of this video that explains this in more detail. Sitting upright allows the spine to be aligned in a vertical fashion, like a lightning rod through which this fire can resonate. When people nod and say they meditate by gardening, surfing or jogging, for example, they miss the point of meditation, and that is the stillness and vertical sitting posture. Their movement and activities dissipate the fire and its transformative value. The truth is, there are no real meditation benefits to these so-called meditation pastimes, other than being in nature, the physical exercise of the gardening and surfing that brings the ease of a relaxed mind and a tired body. Similarly, people who choose to lie down or slouch also miss the benefits of meditation, as the effect also dissipates the fire and cooking effect of meditating. There are times when it is appropriate to lie down, however. For example, if you are sick or very tired, in these cases letting your life force open and spread, allowing a rebalancing of your body of energy, is very appropriate and can lead to a speedy recovery. Yoga and other traditions conduct specific practices called yoga nidra or night practice to recultivate your body of energy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, take a look at our growing library of videos providing tips, techniques and context to improve your meditation experience. And if you meditate and want to learn more about the meditation process, stick around by subscribing. Once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos on their way.